Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for DTC P0571, which indicates a malfunction in the brake pedal position switch circuit in the 2022 and later models of the Honda Civic. The brake pedal position switch plays a crucial role in the vehicle's braking system, sending a signal to the powertrain control module, PCM, to indicate the position of the brake pedal. Located near the top of the brake pedal assembly, this switch directly influences functions such as brake light operation and certain safety features. If the PCM detects an inconsistency in the brake pedal position signal while driving, it triggers this DTC and stores it in the system. Understanding this error code and its implications is vital for maintaining your vehicle's safety and performance. Let's proceed to break down the error description and the components involved. DTC P0571 signifies a malfunction in the brake pedal position switch circuit. The brake pedal position switch is a sensor that detects how far or far off the brake pedal is pressed. It is primarily located on the brake pedal assembly, making it accessible for inspection and testing. In this circuit, the brake pedal position signal is essential for communicating with the PCM, which controls the vehicle's braking functions and safety features. If there is a mismatch between how the brake pedal is operated and the corresponding signal sent to the PCM, the system registers this malfunction. The brake pedal position switch helps to ensure that brakes operate correctly, impacting not only vehicle safety, but also functionality during driving conditions. The identification of this error code indicates a potential issue that must be resolved for optimal driving performance and safety. There are several possible causes for DTC P0571 to be stored in the vehicle's system. One primary cause could be wiring issues within the circuit, affecting the communication between the brake pedal position switch and the PCM. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt voltage signals, leading to inconsistencies. Another potential cause is a faulty brake pedal position switch itself. If the switch fails to provide accurate signals to the PCM, the system interprets this malfunction and triggers the DTC. Lastly, a malfunction within the PCM could also be responsible. If the PCM fails to interpret valid signals or experiences internal faults, it can mistakenly flag this DTC. Each of these causes should be systematically reviewed during the troubleshooting process to ensure the correct diagnosis and repair. The symptoms associated with DTC P0571 may vary, but several common issues can indicate a problem with the brake pedal position switch circuit. One noticeable symptom is a malfunction of the brake lights. They may fail to operate correctly, leading to safety concerns while driving. If the brake pedal position switch is faulty, users may also experience inconsistent pedal response, where the vehicle fails to accurately recognize the position of the brake pedal, possibly causing delayed braking. Additionally, this situation might trigger warning indicators on the dashboard, alarming the driver that there is an issue needing attention. Overall, these symptoms highlight not just the functional challenges of the vehicle, but also underscore the critical importance of responding promptly to any DTC issued. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0571, the technician should turn the vehicle ignition to the on position, ensuring that the vehicle is ready for diagnostic checks. Next, utilizing a Honda Diagnostic System HDS or equivalent diagnostic tool, confirm the brake switch value by observing the data while the brake pedal is pressed and released. It is crucial to monitor this value for any discrepancies. Ideally, pressing the brake pedal should lead to a change in the reported value. If the switch value does not change despite the pedal movement, this indicates a duplicated failure, suggesting an issue within the circuit or the switch itself. This step serves as a foundational check to diagnose the issue correctly and identify if further inspection is needed. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the B-stop circuit, which is crucial for powering the brake pedal position switch. Begin by confirming that the brake pedal position switch is disconnected and perform a voltage test to ensure that the B-stop circuit is delivering the proper battery voltage. Following this, the stop SW circuit must be examined to verify its integrity. Looking for any signs of breaks or shorts that could lead to inconsistent signals being sent to the PCM. Additionally, assessing the ground circuit is essential. Ensuring that the GND circuit is intact will help in verifying that all components receive reliable grounding. If any abnormalities are noted during this inspection, they should be addressed to restore proper circuit functionality. In this step, the brake pedal position switch needs to be reinstalled correctly after you have performed the relevant checks. Improper installation can lead to failure in the switch function or liability issues. Following proper reconnection, conduct a functional test by pressing and releasing the brake pedal to observe whether the switch accurately reflects these actions in the system. The performance during this step is crucial, as it verifies whether the installation and components are functioning as expected. It is important to note that any fragmented or incorrect wiring here could again trigger DTC P0571, necessitating further inspection if any discrepancies arise during testing. The final troubleshooting step is crucial, evaluating the condition and functionality of the powertrain control module, or PCM. If all preceding inspections indicate that the circuits and switch are functioning correctly, then the PCM may be to blame for DTC P0571. Before performing this final inspection, ensure that all other checks have confirmed normal conditions to avoid unnecessary replacements. The PCM inspection will involve checking its internal operations, wiring connections, and ensuring that it accurately processes input from the brake pedal position switch. If the PCM fails on this examination, it will require reprogramming or replacement to resolve the issue effectively and restore functionality to the braking system. After completing the necessary repairs and inspections for DTC P0571, it is critical to verify that the system functions correctly before returning the vehicle to the owner. Start by clearing DTC codes from the system using your diagnostic tool. This step resets the onboard computers, allowing you to assess whether the repairs effectively resolved the malfunction. Following this, a test drive is essential. During the test drive, pay close attention to the brakes, ensuring that they respond appropriately during various driving conditions. Additionally, confirm that the brake lights operate correctly and there are no warning indicators on the dashboard. Completing these final checks is necessary to ensure the safety and performance of the vehicle. Implementing preventive maintenance measures can help avoid future issues related to the brake pedal position switch circuit and DTC P0571. It's essential to schedule regular inspections of brake components, ensuring they are in good working order and free from wear. Checking the wiring for signs of damage, corrosion, or wear will prevent issues that might cause signal failures. Additionally, it's critical to monitor brake system performance during regular vehicle use, such as how the brakes respond during operation. Addressing any performance issues early on will help maintain vehicular safety and reliability. Establishing a regular maintenance routine will lead to a more durable braking system and enhance overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding the details surrounding DTC P0571 is paramount for Honda Civic 2022 Plus owners and repair technicians alike. This document has outlined the possible causes, detailed symptoms, and step-by-step troubleshooting measures necessary for diagnosing this specific issue effectively. The brake pedal position switch circuit plays an essential role in ensuring optimal braking performance, and any issues here should be addressed immediately. By following detailed troubleshooting steps, users can confidently identify and rectify problems, ensuring that their vehicle remains safe for operation. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance strategies will aid in minimizing the risk of similar DTCs arising in the future, helping maintain both safety and performance of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.